Welcome to No Fear Cooking. Today I am going to share with you our best recipe for a stew fish. Our family loves it and it's 1, 2, 3 to put it together. So I'm not going to say too much about it. I'm going to tell you, get ready at the supermarket to get all the veggies. You can get the tomatoes, you can get fresh tomatoes, you can get a can of tomato that it's already petite cut, and that will be ready. And the section next to the veggies, you go into the fish. And that's all. Easy ingredients, and we all have them. And with this, I'm going to delve right into, I show you the veggies, and I'm going to start with a little bit olive oil. And as you see, it's already warm. I like to use this pan because it's easier to show and share the recipe with you. But on the stove, the same. I'm starting at medium on the stove. Oil, already smells good to have just that part. And today I use the leeks. As you see it in the picture, the leeks are very nice and gentle as a fish, for the fish. I love that. And the leeks are right here. I already cut them. I told you I'm not taking your time. I show you in the picture what we need, and it's easy to just dump all the veggies that we had. I'll have them in the description. Ooh, the sizzling already. I'm just going to a little bit. Oh, the zucchini will give a great taste to our fish stew. And you can cut them the way you want to, a little bit smaller if you like to. Just half is good. I'm going to add a couple carrots, 2 carrots actually in our recipe it is. And on top of this, it's about half a bell pepper. You can put a little bit more if you like to. It's okay. On this recipe, use more veggies if you like to than less. And the meat will be a pound of salmon and a pound of shrimp. Bite size on the cutting on the meat. So with this one, let's cook it for about 4 minutes. I'm going to put about half a teaspoon of salt, and we'll cook them for about 4 minutes. And then I'm coming back with the next step, which is very easy step. Let's mix one time. Mix a little bit in between. Don't forget about it. All these vegetables are delicious in our fish stew. Our family loves it, so I thought today we'll share it together, the new recipe. We'll see you in about 4 minutes. 4 minutes went by, and here we are with the next step, which is going to be, I'll add a little bit of the black pepper, about half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, the hot pepper flakes. Give another mix for another 10 seconds so all the flavors go into the veggies. They're all going to get together at one point or another. And if it's not, and half a cup of white wine. For about 30 seconds, let it go in. You see how quick it's dissolved and it's absorbed by all the vegetables. The flavor will be out of this world of the stew. Have a nice slice of good bread and dip into the stew, and dinner will be ready. If it's not for economic reason, it's very healthy and it's very fresh, and you know what you're putting in. And again, it is economic, so we can do that. Next will be my tomatoes, and today I grill my tomatoes in the air fryer. I love to do this once a week to have extra tomatoes, just because they are so fresh right now in the summer. So let's put them in. And a little bit of the juices that is left inside. Give it a good mix. Oh, look at all this goodness. And to boost flavor, I like to use our clam juice. It's going to be delicious and you will love the flavor. Our family loves it. And again, that's why we really always cook, or at least twice a week, I hope, for our family. They love to say thank you for a great dinner. Have young ones helping you, at least shopping for you if they don't want to help. Cooking. Now we're going to leave all this to cook together for about 5 minutes. And then we'll come almost to the next step, which you see, it is 3 steps and it's done. See you in 4 minutes. Wow, you should smell it. It's heavenly. It's Italy again here. Blaine's aunt used to make this dish in Pennsylvania when we lived there, and it was absolutely delicious. Again, few minutes will take you. So 8 minutes went by all together with this. Have the veggies ready. I'm going to add now the fish. I have a pound of salmon. You can add any other fish you like to, or more even. Well, before I do that, I would like to taste it for the salt, but I poured that, it's okay. And now I'm going to do the shrimps. Yum. Wow, delicious. I have 4 shrimps, they are full, and I know somebody likes them like that. A pound of shrimps goes in. Let's mix it and leave it for about 5 minutes. And then the ending will be with a very touch of lemon zest, lemon for the taste, and it's all good. So let's wait 5 minutes for the fish to cook and the shrimp. All the cooking, it's done. And the family will love it. Say thank you. It's delicious. I tasted of the salt. I'll taste it one more time, and the pepper. A little bit of lemon zest from a lemon, actually. Oh, it smells so good. That smells good, Babbitt. He can tell me when he likes something. Thank you, Babbitt. And thank you, family, for loving our cooking. And they do help. Nathaniel was chopping all the veggies today. Lemon juice went in. The smell is out of this world. So again, if it's not economic, just the freshness and a bunch of parsley. And I always wanted to remind you on the parsley, look how easy it is. I did that with my special Caesar. So go for it, it's easy and doesn't take too much time. So all these are perfect. I'm tasting the juice again. Perfect. I only put about a teaspoon of salt altogether. You don't want to salt it too much. And look at this beauty. Absolutely delicious. I'm going to spoon it in a plate here. Let me mix it one more time to be sure that everything is mixed together. You're never wrong to put more meat or less meat, whatever you have in your hand. Let's spoon it just like this. Oh, I got some shrimps in here too. Wow. And I have my homemade bread. It's still very good. Write us a note if you like our presentation or if you like to try it. I'm going to dip my bread into the juice. Perfect. So delicious. I'm just going to finish with saying manja manja. Till next time. Give it a try to this wonderful fresh recipe. Few ingredients that you find them at any store. And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.